like that.
Chris has got big shoulders.
Something like that.
Okay. As he's grinning ear to ear.
Welcome to my channel. I'm heading to Port Dover for the Friday 13 bikers rally, and hopefully I'm going to have a good time and I will show. So here I am at Port Dover, the Friday 13 biker rally. Biker group which is going on in front of me. वापसी मेरा यहाँ से लाजमी एक भी दिन निकलने का प्रोग्राम है, क्योंकि मैंने पहुँच के घर So cars are not allowed, so I have parked my car on the side road and I'm here. Oh wow. Oh, what a beautiful bike. So right now I'm walking at the Port Dover main street, which is closed for the cars, and only motorcycles are allowed only at this time for the event.
I think he wanted me more down there.
There are some vendors over here as well. On the right hand side you can see, and there will be some more vendors at the end as well. Harbour is on work right now, which is very okay. I'm on this bike, so I'm reaching at the main area where the main there are more vendors over there. What a beautiful bike this is. A beautiful color. Blue is. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Go ahead. Jewelry as well. See the dressing, this lady.
Not just
तो भाई यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा सा इन्होंने एक्सटेंड किया। ओह what a beauty is. Actor which comes every year, and people take pictures with him and make pictures. धूप थोड़ी सी तेज़ है आज, तो अभी मैं लाइट हाउस पे जाता हूँ, फिर वहाँ से निकलते हैं। You can see more bikes. सारे बाइकर्स जमा हुए हैं यहाँ पे।
Anyway, she'll class take me up.